and form our own pattern. Yeah.
What pattern do you have in mind, sir?
I think for you, I'm gonna do ombre.
Ombre. Sounds Mexican to me. Ombre.
No, like this.
Ah, okay. Okay, ombre.
That's why we need a brush.
Ah, okay. So,
Put the other materials aside.
So you have me. Oh yeah, we forgot to put the gloves in our hands. Remember? Yeah. I'm gonna put the gloves.
Oh no!
can you show the other kids what those gloves are?
Here's the gloves. It's hard. Get in. It's also me. Okay. Okay, Anjan? Yeah.
After you're done, try to help her out.
It's sticky. Okay, brown sticky. It has a hole. Okay, down there. And that's Mickey Mouse. And then from the Mickey Mouse, flip him.
You still watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse?
No!
I thought you're an anime fan.
No.
Try to help her out.
Okay, done. Now let's make a topic. We'll make the pattern. Now this is dad, so I'm gonna make the ombre. You wanna help on that? Mommy, when we do the pattern. We're gonna use 100% cotton shirt so the dye will absorb properly. Yeah! So let's start. What color do you want, Dad?
You make your own design. I know that's my shirt, but you can make your own design.
Yay!
Okay, just be careful.
Whoa!
Oh, wow, that's nice.
I like this!
Careful, careful.
Careful with the dye.
Chad, over here. Okay. Wait. Go on, Chad. Hi. Go! Okay. Use
Change
go
places.
So what are you trying to do, Franchelle?
I'm gonna do it like this. Like those lines. I'm squirting like I'm peeing.
Careful.
Oh
Peeing like
Ombre. So that's Mexican. I think ombre is Mexican
Maybe
for
on the center.
bro?
On the center.
perhaps. Yeah.
Ah!
Careful, careful.
Over here, Franchelle. And then let's put some more and more.
Can't you make a smiley face?
No, it's
Okay.
too far. Over here.
How about a not smiling face?
No.
Like your mother's face.
No.
You know, the always
Okay, that's
angry face?
Yeah. You?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Okay, there. More. There. Yeah, here. Okay, let's
Be
done.
careful.
Next color. I think.
Is it red or
Is that
orange?
red?
Yeah. Which places?
Orange.
It's orange.
Oh, it's orange. It's one of my favorite colors.
It's okay, Franchelle. It's okay.
Oh, it's like a little mixing.
Yeah.
It's very nice. It's like pink. Yeah. Is it like orange?
So what is it? Orange, red, or pink?
I don't know. Orange. I think it's pink. Orange for me.
I think it's red orange.
I don't know. I think it's pink. Yeah, pink. Mine is orange.
So you think that's orange or red?
Yeah, mine is orange.
How about you, Mandrick? What do you think?
We have our special guest. I think it's red.
It's red. Okay, he thinks it's red.
Yes, red. Now I'm gonna use red.
Careful.
Oh, it does look good.
Yeah.
It looks like a summer shirt.
No, it looks like Philippines. Blue, red. You need to add yellow.
Ah, so you need to draw a star because it's Philippines. A star and a sun.
Yeah,
Right?
we
Star
don't
and
have
sun.
yellow. Yeah, we don't have yellow. Okay.
How about you draw my face?
No, that is orange. Just go to the side.
Okay, it's time to go. Whoa, it's like orangey red. Yeah. I'm gonna use orange over here. Does it everywhere? Everywhere.
So it's just 3 colors.
Yeah, it's 3 colors.
Okay.
My shirt is a mess.
No, it's very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it.
You think I can wear that to church?
No. I never did.
When we go to CCF again, you think Daddy can wear that? I don't think so.
Yeah, for me. I think you're
Would you
gonna
wear
be
that?
embarrassed.
Well, if they made it with love, yeah, of course. Why not? I'll wear that to the market.
Okay. Good luck, I guess. It's like I'm marinating a barbecue.
What did you say? What did you say?
Marinating barbecue.
Marinating barbecue?
Now let's me.
Oh, that looks cool.
Oh!
Oh,
Look at this.
I love it.
Wow. So we need a plastic.
Okay.
So Mom. Yeah. Now I'm gonna make my t-shirt. I'm gonna make bullseye pattern. Okay. Now let's start tying the rubber bands. Yeah. It's hard to pick up. Look, and then it's hard for me. There. Come on. Mind it. This is how you do bullseye. Maybe you'll do that. Okay. And then I'll just.
Do you know how to tie?
Yeah, I know how to tie, but it's hard. This is my rubber band. Yeah, I'm like rubber band.
Actually, Franchelle has a rubber band right on her.
No, it's too hard. I could do that, but take off the gloves. Yeah, it's too hard. Oh no. Oh, is that a snake?
Yeah, that's a good one. It's like a snake. Do you know that I plan to buy a snake, Kuya Seth? Yeah, it's something for sale on the exotic shop somewhere.
No, it's poisonous.
No, it's not poisonous.
I'm gonna poison
I just want to buy one to piss off your mother.
What? Hi.
That's actually good.
Because Mom hates frogs. I'm angry.
Don't you dare.
I'm gonna buy a dog.
Of course you're gonna buy a dog. A new dog. Or a parrot.
What kind of dog do you want?
The same as our dog before?
Yeah.
What dog was that?
Siberian husky. And
Are you sure that's not a bear? Siberian bear?
I'm the one to name it.
What's
Sydney.
Sydney.
Sydney, yeah, Sydney. Guys, please follow us on Instagram. It's on the link below. Yeah. Please.
Okay, are you done now, Kuya Seth?
Puppy. No, yeah, I'm done.
You're like a puppy.
No, it's. Okay, you got it. Right, yeah. What color do you want? I want no, not yellow. I like red and blue.
So it's time to color already?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Oh, it's not. Messy. It's very bad. Okay, my favorite. Which one? Which next? Which one's next? Here. Okay, red. Yeah, red. Look red. This will look awesome later. Yeah. I need to and then I need. No. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. Oh no. I'm gonna use what's this? I don't know. I think
That
it's
stick's
red.
yellow. Or no, is it red or yellow?
It's red. I think it's
Are you guys using the yellow already? That looks like a red as well.
No, I'm not yet using red. Now I'm gonna use red. I mean yellow. Oh wow! Wow!
Oh, it's really yellow. Yeah, it's really yellow. Can you show the guys? It looks orange on the... Yeah, it's yellow.
This one looks like very nice. Orange and yellow and blue. Oh!
Careful with the colors. Don't mix them up.
Like, yeah. Yeah, like floating. You're watching with that. Yeah, here it is. It's very nice.
Yep, show that to me.
Yeah. It's like a colorful snake.
colorful snake.
Yeah. I need more yellow. Yeah, that's it. It's really messy. Yeah. And now to plastic. Yeah.
You need plastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, can you give them plastic? What do you need? What do you need the plastic for? To dry it, right?
It's okay.
It's
Just
red.
put it inside.
Yeah, it's to dry it. Okay. Let me help. Now it's done. Look at
So it's like a snake inside the plastic.
Yeah, a poisonous snake. In the plant. Yeah, trap. This is my t-shirt and I want to break a pattern. Yeah, I can want to break a pattern. So what do you want? You're still gonna hold it like this. You're gonna do it because I don't know. It's too wet. Okay, I'm gonna pull it carefully. Okay. And then okay, do that more. And then like that. And then like that.
So what do you call that pattern again, sir?
Vertical. Yeah, I hope mommy.
Right.
What? I don't like Mickey Mouse anymore.
Anymore. So you used to like Mickey Mouse when you were young.
Yeah. Now we need rubber bands. And stuff. Oh no. What's wrong? No, I'm okay now. What's wrong? Come on. Oh no. I'm going to use this. Now, do it like that again. Okay. What are you trying to do? This is done. Look. Is that a jumping rope or something?
It's like a dough. Remember when you used to make pizza together?
Yeah. Hey. Now, what color do you want to try? Is this? Yeah. I'm gonna use. Oh, you want red?
Careful!
You want red too? Yeah. Here. Because I'm gonna put yellow here. Oh. If that's what you want, then fine. And then we're gonna flip it. Like Uncle is doing. Are you done? Yeah. No. You say so. Okay. Oh wow. Wow. Good. Yep. And the last one is yellow and red. Yeah. Yellow and red right here. Nice done. Wait.
It looks really messy, you guys.
I know. But it's very nice, I think. Ah! It looks like what do you call that? A sunset. Yeah, a sunset. Look.
Yeah, it looks yellowish and an orange, right,
Yeah.
Seth?
Yeah. It's very nice. I wish all the red is
That's not yours?
No, mine.
Oh, it's your sister's.
It's nice. Why did I get that ugly one? For best results, we're gonna leave it for 24 hours. So, see you tomorrow.
So can you show what's? Oh yeah, it's inside the plastic already.
This is mine. This is mine. It's so ugly. Dad, and this is mine. Like a sunset. Yeah.
So what? Franchelle?
Sunset. Yeah,
Sunset.
or sunrise. Yeah. Like a god.
Okay.
See
So
you tomorrow.
24 hours later.
The streets that we made yesterday. Yeah. Now we're gonna rinse them already. I'm excited. Yeah. What do you wanna go first? Mine. Okay. Let's go first of you. Come on. You get it out. You get it out. Okay. Go on. I see a snake. A rainbow snake. Oh. Sit up there and that's it.
You can stay here, Franchelle. You're a bit far.
Okay. The more. It's like a cooked snake.
careful with the rubber bands. They hurt. Put it in the water. And then rinse it again. Not yet, Seth. One at a time.
Rinse them properly.
It's very, very wet.
Because you're washing.
And it's so cold, the water. And now
Oh, that looks good.
Whose shirt is that? Oh, wow.
You like it, Achal? Yeah. Now I'm gonna do mine.
Put it first on the smaller basin.
Okay, okay.
And then,
Mine.
what shirt is that?
Mine.
Yours?
Whoa. Here. It's like a snake again.
What pattern is that again?
Bullseye.
Ah, okay. The bull.
Franchelle was bullseye?
No. Actually, it was the vertical.
Ah, vertical.
Mine is bullseye.
Oh, I
I
see.
like bullseye.
Careful with the rubber bands.
Yeah. I don't know if this will be nice. I don't know.
It's okay.
Can turn it up.
Wow! It's really good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
I hope I.
Can you show that again? I really love that.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna get
Whose is that?
mine.
Oh, it's really good.
Next will be
Daddy's. I don't know if Daddy's nice.
purple. Try to rinse them properly.
Okay, mine's a mess.
It's okay.
But it's okay. It's still,
Would you still wear that?
yeah, wear that at home.
Where?
At home. Going to sleep. It's pretty colorful, right?